value to clients by identifying those transactions that need supporting documents. And so you can go query for coded transactions using things like date and dollar amount, and it will automatically surface those transactions that you care about, so you can easily go track that down. What's even more interesting about this and great about this is we're leveraging the breadth of the Xero platform. And so we're leveraging Xero Ask to actually go do the queries to your clients, and leveraging Xero Ask for their clients to respond back to you. It's an example of how we're leveraging the different breadth and pieces that we have across the Xero platform to build something that's really intuitive in terms of workflow and experiences. Register now if you're interested in a pilot. We are going into the pilot phase in September, so if you're interested, email findandask@xero.com to register your interest, and somebody from the product team will get a hold of you, okay? Automated bank rules. Who likes bank reconciliation here? Isn't that a killer feature? That's right, I see a few hands. I think everybody loves this feature. Bank reconciliation, when it first came out, was a game changer. It's basically what put Xero on the map. And we're really proud to say that if you actually have those bank rules created today, we will now be able to go auto match against those bank rules. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Come on. What we're able to go do here is actually using those rules. We want to save you time, right? And so if you have 20 bills or 20 invoices that you're used to coding to, where you have to click OK every single month, this becomes really expensive for you to go do. Well, what we want to go do is actually provide a mechanism to actually go do the match and do the hard work for you. Of course, we'll always give you full control over this. Human at heart, as Steve had said. So you'll have full control, full transparency. Think of it almost like bills and invoices where we did the recommendation for you, but you can, of course, modify and change anything that you want in there. So automated bank rules, again, we're going into beta at the end of this year. If you're interested, email bankrules@xero.com, and somebody from the product team will work with you to make sure that you're on that beta. Uncoded transaction reports. I know there has been a lot of feedback around uncoded transaction reports. And one of the things that was commonly asked was, is there a way for us to actually go email to the clients the encoded transaction report? It used to be that you'd have to go download the encoded transaction report, out of band, send an email, attach it to that email before sending, and do it through that workflow. Well, I'm really excited to say that by the end of this year, you'll be able to send the email all from within Xero for this feature. Are you guys excited by that? Woo-hoo! All right. Our next big wave is lodge activity statement with Xero. You and your small businesses will be able to lodge activity statements directly to the Australian Tax Office, the ATO. This, from any device, will cut down the time and the hassle that you have to go do compliance reporting. This feature brings all the BAS reporting within Xero so that you can go initiate and do all the work there. This increases data accuracy, efficiency, and removes the chance of errors. What's really cool about this is that, of course, if for your clients, if you don't want to enable that for them, you don't have to. You have full control, full transparency over this. Again, human at heart at what we're building, specifically at driving this feature. We're really excited by this, and I want to tell you it's live as of today. So you can go there and check it out. The other thing that we talked about was mobile. We know that you and your clients are constantly on the go. They're constantly working through things on their mobile phone. And while we're proud about the mobile offerings that we have across all the different apps, from Xero to expenses to projects and Xero Me, we realized we could show a little more love to the core Xero app. And I'm really proud to say we've done just that. So, from the start of the year all the way through to the end of the year, we'll have at least 20 major improvements across the Xero mobile app. The first thing is really bills. We know that you should be able to go manage bills on the go. The key thing here is not only will you be able to go view the bills and attachments, but soon you'll be able to go add and edit bills from mobile as well. From sales improvements and invoices, we want to make sure that you understand what is about to get paid. And so you and your small businesses can actually create and manage invoices all from mobile. But what's even more, your small business clients' customers can actually receive the invoice and actually pay the invoice directly all from mobile as well. So the full flow of sending the invoice, receiving the invoice, and paying the invoice will be fully supported across mobile. Really, really excited by that. And then of course, profit. One of the key questions is, am I making a profit, right, out of the four? And so we wanted to make it really easy for you to actually understand that at a glance. And so you'll see your net profit, you'll actually see your income and your spending easily broken out, easily viewable, so that it's really transparent as to how your business is doing. And with that, another demo please from Peter. Yeah.